Hello, everybody. We hope that all of you are doing fine and are in good spirits. And we hope that this pandemic goes away soonest from our lives. We extend a very warm welcome to all of you who are tuned into this brand new channel space that we are launching today. The space is dedicated to an amazing and a wonderful part of our beautiful planet. That part is called Latin America. And I'm your host Sandeep. Welcome on board this journey. Namaste, Namaskar, Hola. Let's get on this sojourn together. Now the thing is, if I'm not mistaken, when we think of Latin America, we think of vast landscapes of Amazon rainforest, the color of carnival in pulsating Rio de Janeiro, and the magnificent ancient Inca city of Machu Picchu in Peru. Right, of course, these are undoubtedly top attractions, but it's far from the whole picture. It's just the trailer. Latin America, which includes majestic and enthralling Mexico, captivating and enchanting Chile, dazzling and brilliant Colombia, amazing and fascinating Argentina, serene and pura vida, which is cool Costa Rica, mesmerizing Puerto Rico, vivid Guatemala, very special Uruguay, El Salvador, vivacious Venezuela, breathtaking Dominican Republic, and so many more Central and South American countries.
And who can forget the charismatic and colorful Cuba?
It's a vast region of the world and is made up of from northern Mexico to southern tip of Argentina and Chile, expanding into many enchanting Caribbean spaces. It's not just the scale that makes it so special and one of the most impressive regions on earth. There are mighty rivers and breathtaking wilderness areas, but also pre-Hispanic civilizations and vibrant new cultures. Latin America truly offers something for every interest, and its top attractions are some of the most fascinating and memorable on the planet. The essence is to capture the astonishing blend of cultures and people. The richness is diversity and has few peers among other territories of the globe. The fusion of indigenous African European tradition has lent a great richness to the Latin American culture, notably in gastronomy, literature, folklore, and music. Music is considered a staple in the Latin American scheme of things, feeding and replenishing the soul. Latin American music is laden not just with passion, sentiment, happiness, and anguish, but with history and nostalgia. Mexico City, Monterrey, Guadalajara, Santiago, Buenos Aires, Córdoba, Valparaíso, Bogotá, Medellín, San Jose, San Juan, Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo are some of the many great places to discover. The music and dance forms like tango, salsa, samba are some of the many dance forms of this great part of the planet. The people of Latin America are one of the finest and warm people I have met in my life during my many visits to Latin America. Warm and affable, cordial and charismatic are some of the many adjectives that come to mind when I think of incredible and wonderful Latin American people who have touched my life very personally. Latin America is nirvana and liberation for the gourmets and connoisseurs of gastronomy. Over the past few years, the culinary scene in Latin America has burst onto the global stage, making it the most sought after, the hottest, and the most exciting food tradition on the planet. Taking traditional ingredients and using modern techniques, the culinary experts and exponents have managed to introduce traditional and ancient dishes to the modern palate, creating flavors, tastes, and textures that are as unique as they are sumptuous. Food in Latin America is not only a passion, but an art too, and with an abundance of fresh local ingredients. The farm-to-table experiences are a way of life, and nowhere are culture, traditions, and food more intrinsically linked than in Latin America. Welcome aboard on this journey to discover Latin America. Namaste, Namaskar, Hola. We hope you like the first presentation on this channel called Wonderful Latin America. We thank you for your time and your attentions. We will soon be bringing more videos and images from these fabulous and fantastic countries in and around Latin America and from the Caribbean. We request you to subscribe to this channel, and if you like the video, kindly gift us a like and some comments. Thank you very much. We wish you a wonderful festive season ahead. Namaste.